Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CDEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And the main dynamic here that occurred was that the things just didn't play out. What do I mean by that? Well, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Thursday. But, I mean, it didn't take a rocket scientist to say, like, wow, that was a very nice move. So the big question going into today was, is that the start of something bigger? Is something warming up? And no, absolutely not. Not only did it get rejected right up here at this red line, which I talked about as resistance, which is okay. I mean, it's not like it had to break that. And it's okay that the price dropped a little bit. That's okay. Pullbacks happen. Nothing can go straight up. But for this to go all the way back down in this area and then hover around here, that's just a sign of, like I said, I'm not going to say the entire chart's epically destroyed, but a very disappointing day, especially when you look around the market and you see a lot of other stocks out there with that final 30 minutes of the week with the Trump speech and everything really doing very well. And this thing did the exact opposite. It made a move up and then got smashed right back down to that 50-cent mark. So like I said, is the chart totally history? I won't go that far, but the key dynamic to watch going forward is 50 cents. And the big question is, can the price at least still maintain above it? Because if the price really at all separates further to the downside of it, at that point, that is essentially putting the price right back to where it was before the big bounce happened. And I don't mean to insult your intelligence, but if a movement like this were to occur, which was very nice, and then all of a sudden the price goes right back to where it was, I mean, that's essentially the epitome of a pump and dump right there. I'm not saying that'll occur because maybe 50 cents can hold, but right now, that is why, in my opinion, at least this chart is looking very shaky headed into next week. So we'll see what happens with it and see if the price can try to get things under control and work its way back up. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.